In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10th Mathematics Science Group. Venn diagram. In this lecture we will learn how we can represent our question in the form of Venn diagram. Let's see, we will exercise 5.3 Venn diagram. Question number 4. U means universal set, and universal set contains all the elements, all the counting numbers. But here limited elements are mentioned here, so universal set is 1 to 10. Now A set is 1 3 5 7 and B set is 2 3 4 5 8. Then prove by Venn diagram. Now condition is mentioned here. First of all, we will do third part, A union B. This slash is known as complement, equals to A complement intersection B complement. It is also known as a De Morgan's law. Now first of all, you can check that you have to draw the rectangle. Rectangle is a Venn diagram and it is also known as U. U stands for universal set. So this rectangle is known as universal set. Now A and B circles lie inside the rectangle. So A, now check that A and B having which one common elements? 3 and 5. So it means this will be overlapping set. Overlapping set means having some elements having common. So you can write here 3 and 5. Now remaining elements of B you can write here 2, 4 and 8. And now remaining elements of A set is 1, 7 and 9. Now 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 having here. Now you can write here remaining elements of U 6 and 10. Now universal, now you have to find the A union B. A union B, you have to combine the all elements of A and B. So you have to represent by shaded the area. So you can have the you can shade here. So I will put here dot. Now you will represent here A union B by shading the A and B circle. Now next you have to find A union B whole complement, and complement you know that equals to U minus A union B. It means you have to subtract the answer of A and B to U. It means A and B elements subtracted from U, and you have to check that which one are the left elements of U. Now A and B, so 1 3 5 7 9 2 3 4 5 8, subtract from 1 to 10 counting, so left here 6 and 10. So its answer is 6 and 10. It means you have to shade the just rectangle portion, not circle. So this is A union B whole complement. It means just U is left here. Now you will solve right hand side. Right hand side here is A complement intersection B complement. So first of all you have to find A complement. A complement equals to U minus A. It means you have to subtract A from U, and you have to check that which one are the left elements of universal set. A set here is 1 3 5 7 9. So 1 3 5 7 9 you have to skip from the universal set. So left element will be here. So you will just shade B portion, not common portion. 3 5 is common portion, B portion and rectangle portion. Now next you have to find B complement. B complement equals to U minus B. It means you have to subtract elements of B from U. Now B elements are 2 3 4 5 8. This will subtract from U set. Now you can check that which one are left element here. So it means A and universal set will be left here. So you have to shade this portion. A and U rectangle, not 3 5 common portion, not B set. Now you will shade just A portion and U portion. Now common portion and B portion will be left. Now next is A complement intersection B complement. Now let's see here the answer of B and B circle and U rectangle, and here A circle and U rectangle. Now which one is common portion in these two diagrams? I think this is B circle, this is A circle. Now which one is common portion? Rectangle is common portion here. So its result will be common portion. It means you will shade here just U portion, means to say rectangle portion. Now this is the answer. Now you have to represent this question by Venn diagram. आपको इसकी समझ आ चुकी होगी। आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।